What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I might as well, since I'm on a bird feeding review spree, I will come up with a playlist called For Bird Lovers, because I like bird watching, animal watching in the backyard. I like seeing how they interact with each other, stuff like that. Seeing the hawk come down trying to snatch a squirrel and actually snatch a mouse, and I seen it eat the mouse off of a tree branch up there, which was crazy. But anyways, that's just one of my nature tales. I have this bird feeder and I had it for at least 2 years now, and I just want to say this: for a decent $20 you can get a good bird feeder, decent bird feeder. Now, I'm not making you no promises if it's going to last you forever, but one thing I can say is this is not well constructed as my brome feeders. Alright, the brome bird feeders are well still constructed. Now, one thing I can say about this is the squirrels haven't chewed through the steel yet or broken the steel, but all the plastic that's here, which should have been steel right here, you could tell where they scratched it, biting it. All right, now on this they found a way to lift this, right, but for some reason they can't lift it all the way up. But I don't know if you can see it, but there's a whole bunch of teeth marks, bite marks, and all that stuff right there, but they cannot go inside, so they get frustrated. Now this does work. I have this in my other video. I did a video before, but I lost it, where this was by itself and the squirrels was trying to get in. But my main video with the squirrel was the brome feeder. Now, when I had this out with the brome feeder, the squirrels obviously was trying the brome feeder because they didn't know that was a squirrel deflector. All right, they found out that this was to defend against squirrels, so they tried to every once in a while come to this one. But on this, they found the way to pop the cap off. So they don't pop it off all the time, but if you do have a lot of food in here, yeah, that's a problem. All the food be on the ground. But what you can do is just pop it back in. Oh, all right, there we go. Now I popped it back in. So for them to pop it off, they really trying to get to these C's up in here. But that's it. It's not too much to this. This is at Walmart for like 20 bucks. If you're looking to just start off with a bird feeder and you want to save on your C's, this is a good solution right here. And on top of that, this attract blue jays, all types of birds, but I seen blue jays come to this thing, and I seen woodpeckers. And the nuts I use is the regular songbird nuts, the regular ones that you get from Walmart. I'll post it so you know what seeds that I use, and that's about it. So like, comment, and please subscribe.